This week, we took a trip up Spanish Fork Canyon and spent 3 nights camping at a family member's property. We always have fun riding four-wheelers, shooting skeet, and telling stories by the campfire. This year caught us off guard as we got stuck in the middle of a blizzard and had a slippery way down as we made our way off the mountain.
Want them to go fast? Yeah. It's so fun when they go fast. Maybe when we come back down the canyon, they'll be going fast.
What are you guys doing? Nice. Oh. So that we can easily get from our trailer down here to Grandma's.
Oh man. There's a few more stones to place and then we're done with it. Crazy? You guys having fun?
The hot water is really stinky.
So we've come to the conclusion that the hot water is the only water that has kind of a smell to it. And I'm wondering if it's because I didn't really drain the heater. Well, it was drained, the hot water plug was out. But whatever rested in the bottom of the water heater, I don't know if it had something in it that makes the water stink now. So what I think we need to do is possibly drain the water heater, fill it back up because it holds 5 gallons. Unfortunately, we'll just have to let it go to waste. And then we brought some extra water up that we'll be able to fill the water tank with. And hopefully by the end of this trip, we're not running low on water. I just drained the hot water heater. It's on the back of our trailer. You can hear it starting. Oh, even you can see the flame back in there, I think. Just barely started back up, but then we just take this plug out to drain the entire thing. It's 5 gallons that we just dumped out, and we're gonna see if that helps with the water. So far, Aubrey seems to think that it has helped, right?
Yeah, when I was washing the dishes, it didn't smell so bad.
Good. Now we just need to put some water back in. Right now to go pick Colby and his girls up down at the gate because there's a locked gate down at the bottom.
Yeah, want to jump in the back of the...
Yeah, you guys can jump back here if you want. You want to jump in here?
Can you open it? Yep.
I think you guys have met these girls in previous videos, but this is again Skylie and McKinley. This is Aubrey's brother, Colby, his 2 girls. Oh, do you want to switch so that you're with Skylie?
McKinley, you're gonna go.
Okay. We're gonna let them get out ahead of us so that we don't have to travel in the dust. Oh, right in the head. We'll have to watch it on replay and see who it was. Who was the headhunter? I think it was Grandma. Oh, right in the watchy. Woo. Man, those look nice, Caleb.
He dropped his.
Great job.
You gotta eat them. Look how big they are.
Gosh. Yeah, you're gonna get a Dennis the Menace marshmallow right on your forehead. So while it's snowing outside, we are inside watching movies with the little munchkin and playing games with Aubrey, a little dice game that her grandma made up. It's been a good day, huh?
Yep.
Caleb's been ready to go to the hills, to the big hills, but we gotta wait until the snow clears up, right?
Yep.
The snow's ridiculous. It's getting thicker and thicker.
It's actually now starting to stick to stuff.
Ooh, look at that, McCoy. My roll got me 700, 800, 900. I think I'm gonna go for a 1 because I want to get the 1,000.
I think I can maybe even 5 while you're doing it.
Oh,
Hey, you got the
oh, I should have kept it.
What you eating?
300.
Ham sandwich?
500.
Nice. It about ripped our awning off. This is crazy. Got plastered. What is this craziness?
At Grandma's on the
Okay.
At Grandma's on the news, it said that there's a warning of blizzards. What the heck happened?
Okay.
At Grandma's house,
Oh my gosh. Seriously. Okay, knock it off Kinley before she gets inside. Holy smokes.
Yeah, McKinley, there's a warning of blizzards. I'm so cold. I got dumped by snow.
That almost had our awning ripped off.
I know.
It was drooped down all the way down here, and the door couldn't even open at the beginning.
There we go. Oh, go brush yourself off.
At Grandma's house, it said that there was a warning of blizzards.
Yep,
And it's a literal blizzard out there.
it is
You
a
can barely
literal
even see
blizzard.
the mountains and like
Pure
miles
insanity.
of snow.
Everything is covered with snow. Nothing was spared. That was great. Put it right on it. Oh! Gotta go extra slow because we slid about 100 feet back there. We're making it. This is the last part. This is the very, very last part. My heart is no longer beating extra fast. I kept on telling Aubrey, it's okay. Hey, it's okay.
You were just telling yourself that.
It's okay.
It's okay. We're okay.
Yeah, that was
Fast.
not really that fun.
We were just sliding down the Dugway with our trailer and four-wheelers behind us. And if you have not clicked the like and subscribe down below, make sure you do so. We're gonna leave you right now. It's been an awesome Memorial Day. We love you all. Have a great weekend.